If you're someone who has financial issues in life today, this video is for you. Welcome back, and I'm Pujita Singh, a certified life coach and NLP coach. The reason I wanted to do this video is number one, because there were some subscribers who reached out to me on a personal message on Insta and also on my Gmail account stating that they want to know more about why do they have financial issues in life today. And I want to share the three major reasons that I have seen very commonly. And I've also covered this in my book, which I recently launched. I'm an author, by the way, and I recently launched my book by the title Wealth Creation Simplified, and that's authored by me. So, three main reasons that I want to cover today. Of course, wealth in itself is a really long subject, but I'm going to talk about it in the series of videos from now onwards. But what I really wanted to share today is three major reasons why people suffer or rather face financial issues in their wealth life or their financial life. The number one major reason that I've commonly observed with is the first one is when you believe in your life that wealth or money is the root cause of all problems in your life. Yes, I'm not joking. The major reason why people have financial issues in their life is when they truly believe that money is the only reason why they are suffering in their life today. They either truly believe that whatever is the problem that they are having in their life, whether it is relationship wise, health wise, or any family issue, they believe money is the root cause of all problem. Trust me, money is not the root cause of all problem. The problem is elsewhere, and I'm going to talk about this in the coming series of videos. And the second number which I believe truly as a biggest reason why people have financial issues is because they have a very negative opinion or not a great opinion about rich people. This is something which people don't realize, but I have seen a lot of people who are struggling in their financial life or who are trying to make up their financial life. I have seen them talking really ill about rich people. Like, rich people must have done something really long in their life. That's why, they have loads of money. Or it could be that I'm sure they must have done something really bad in their life. That's why they have lots of money overnight, but they truly don't realize that the way they think, the way rich people think, is actually at a very different level altogether. And I have not seen this with middle class or with people who have financial issues. So basically, if your mindset about rich people and the life of and the kind of living that they have, if you don't have a great opinion about their financial life or about they as a person or as a human being, and when you talk ill about them, you talk negative about them, I have seen them having a lot of financial issues, because basically that itself sets the mindset that you have about having loads of money, right? And the third and the foremost important thing is basically when you believe that money is not meant for you. So, for example, if you have seen your generations together in the past who have struggled and grown up in life, or it could be your last generation before, where you have seen your parents struggling in life or because of financial reasons, or you have seen most of the generations having the financial life in a challenged way, you truly believe that, you know what, this is how my life is going to be as well. But always remember, this is not how it is. If your mindset is going to believe that what has happened with my past generation or with my parents or my grandparents, if this is how it is, trust me, it's gonna continue. And I'm not joking. So now, if you tell me that, okay, Pujita, so how do I fix this? Basically, first, and any problem in life, right? The first thing that you need to realize is the awareness. Do you have an awareness of how you think about certain things, right? Let's talk about money in this video, because I'm basically talking about wealth aspect here. And I would highly recommend you to go back and start understanding how this whole psychology of money works, right? People truly believe that they need to have loads of money to make loads of money. Actually, it is not the case. It's all about mindset. It's all about how you think about money. right? People think money is extremely so much critical that they start believing that money controls them. Trust me, they are controlling the money, and that is the reason money is running away from them. So, I am going to talk about this in the coming series of videos, as I mentioned before. But what I really want you to remember from today after you watch this video is, number one, start having awareness that this is not your reality. Go back and understand where are those beliefs coming from. My first chapter of my book actually talks about that. So basically, if you truly believe that money is the root cause of all problems, rich people are bad or evil, they must have done something really bad in their life, trust me, it's money is going to run away from you, because the way you are vibrating at a money frequency is far more away from what you can deserve. And that will start showing things in reality, right? People start manifesting debts because of the way they think, and they actually believe it is their scenario, or it is how their family is, or this is how their system is, and this is how they have to live with. Actually, no. So from today onwards, please start having a realization or awareness that this is not the reason, right? Number one, money is not the root cause of problem. Yes, of course, it's the root cause of all solutions, but it is also not the root cause of problems. The problem is with you, and I will talk about that in the future, but it's going to be a harsh reality. You have to accept it, and that's how my financial world completely got changed in the couple of years, because of the way I started perceiving money. And I'll tell you some basic stuff that if you can do in your life, your lot of financial life is going to get better. People believe that having some more money will only solve their problem. No, you can actually create money with the way you believe about money. So from now on, first go back and make a list of things that you believe negative about money. It could be about rich people, it could be about money, it could be whatever is the long list of negative beliefs that you carry about money. Make a list of it. You yourself will realize how negative are you thinking about money and about your financial life, right? That's number one. Number two, go back and understand where are these beliefs coming from. Most often these beliefs are coming from your childhood memories, where you have seen your loved ones fighting for money, or fighting due to money. It could be that you saw your parents fighting for money. It could be that you saw your closest family members or siblings fighting for money, or you must have seen that money is the root cause of all relationship issues, and so much more. So go back and make a list of all the negative beliefs, and then second is understand where is this belief coming from. This much of action is more than enough to start off immediately, but you have to spend really decent good time with yourself, understanding the list of things that you believe about money, believe about the financial world, believe about the negative beliefs you're carrying, and where is it coming from. The moment you start having awareness, trust me, your life is going to be at a very different ballgame altogether, and the real change begins from there. So tune in for next set of videos where you can understand the financial life much more better, and I would highly encourage you to go and read my book, either in Kindle or in physical copy that you are a fan of. And I would come back and tell me what did you learn after listening to this video, or people who reached out to me talking or rather requesting about the wealth topic. Come back and let me know how is it going for you. I would love to hear your stories, your success stories. And remember, this is just the beginning. You always got to take the first step, and it's never too late. I keep telling this to all my people whom I coach them, guide them, mentor them, that it's never too late. There is always the first mini micro step that you can take towards the success. And it could be in any aspect of your life. So why not be in your financial world? So start from today, see how this goes, and we will take one step at a time, and I'm going to be there to handhold in your journey. With that, good luck in making bucket loads of money. All the very best. God bless you, and thank you so much for listening to me patiently. Love you loads. Bye bye.